Reality Vlog, tape 3095103, Global Goal 7 in action.
Welcome to our assembly, all about Global Goal 7. Clean and affordable energy. We can do this by 2030.
Saving energy and electricity. We can make little changes every day that can save energy and money. Switch off your appliances at the socket, in particular overnight. Turn off the lights when you're not using them. Turn off your air conditioning, especially for sleeping. Open a window or use a fan. Buy rechargeable electronics. Don't buy or use one-use batteries.
America produces 25% of the world's CO2 through fossil fuel emission, with only 4% of the world's population. Since 1990, global emissions of CO2 have increased by more than 46%. The world needs a light bulb moment.
Solar energy sources. Install your solar panels in your home for your heating and electricity.
In Global Goal 7, when I was researching it, it was a little bit interesting because did you know in 1 in 5 people does not have access to electricity or anything like that? So I was doing my maths in my head and I found out 3 billion people's lives have to depend on wood, coal and even animal waste to make food and heat for their families. So I thought that was quite a bad thing, but if we sort out the problem, we could have it only maybe 10,000 people. So if we all work together of turning off lights, instead of using cars to get to A to B, we could actually use bikes, even walk, even probably take carpools, but I don't think that's relevant now because of COVID. But we could still walk, bike, jog, even run. I was walking out the other day. It's a nice day. So, yeah. Let's hit Global 7. Goal 7.
Global Goal 7. Target 7B. Energy for the world. Through Paddington's postcards, I have learned about the Ivory Coast in Africa. UNICEF is helping local people to collect plastic waste and it is turned into building bricks. The bricks are used to build schools that are clean and safe. They are cheap and will last hundreds of years. All the schools have solar panels for cheap energy from the sun. Creating building bricks from waste saves the environment and saves heat energy.
And here we have a fabulous piece of artwork. Thank you from Bryce in Tracy's class. And if we have a close look, we can see he's drawn some new eco boilers which save energy. We've got wind turbines. We've got solar panels. We've got water containers to collect the rain, okay, in our garden. And this is what I like. These are just to make a better place. So well done, Bryce. That is a lovely, lovely piece of artwork. Thank you everybody for watching our assembly on Global Goal 7. I hope it's been useful and you've learned something. Thank you very much from the steering group, Room 1 and Bryce. Thank you. Bye.